What's the meaning of bill of sale? Bill of sale. Bill of sale.
Bill of sale. Bill of sale. A bill of sale is a legal document used to transfer ownership of personal property from one party to another. It is a written agreement that outlines the terms of the transaction, including the names of the buyer and seller, a description of the item being sold, the purchase price, and any warranties or guarantees that may apply. A bill of sale is commonly used for the sale of vehicles, boats, and other personal property, and it serves as proof that the ownership has been transferred legally. It is important for both the buyer and seller to keep a copy of the bill of sale for their records in case any disputes arise in the future.